I never made it, but I know what it takes.
Good afternoon, everybody. Jonathan Dykes again with Renew Crew Softwash. Today, Renew Crew is in Sumrall, Mississippi, where it's hot. We're at the end of July, but that ain't stopping us. Renew Crew is about to do a house wash and a driveway cleaning. We got the tanks filling up. We're about to get this one started. Come along for the ride.
I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tell me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait, I think I'll last a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this.
Renew Crew is staying extremely busy. If you would like to get on our schedule, take a minute, go to renewcrew.com. There's a short form. You can do it on your phone, on your computer, and send us a request of what you are looking to have done. Right now we're about 4 to 5 weeks out on work, but we need to get you on the schedule for the fall and the holiday season. And give us a call or text us 601-248-9905. Would love to work with you. Give us a call. No job too big or small.
Tell me to someone who will love me. Yeah, I know it when I met you. I'm not the only one who's alone. Find me soon and take me home. I know it when I saw you. I'm not the only one hanging on. Tell me to someone who will love me. Oh, never in my life did I want to see you more than. And every time you're lost, I wonder if you know you're missed. I'm breathing when I can, and I only hope you're watching this. I hope you know that I exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tell me to someone